So hey guys, welcome back to my channel J2 Explainer. See, this will be a very important video for all the TG EAPCET students like of phase 1 and phase 2, because in this video we will be talking on very important topics that so many students are still having doubts, and I will try to clear off all your doubts. So watch this video till end. See, the phase 2 results will be out today very soon, and what are the things that you should do after getting your phase 2 seat, and I will also add what the students who got their seat in the phase 1 should also do. So these are the things that you must do in the next few days, or else you will lose your seat. So let's start the video. See, July 22 to July 24 is that time that that you will get to pay the fee, and you should do the self-reporting, and you can confirm your seat. See, this is for all the students who got seat in the phase 2, not for the phase 1 students. And you know that you should do this all the things online and at the official website, and this is only open for the next 3 days, like 22, 23 and 24. All right, if you are ready with your money, you can do this tonight itself. So do this as soon as possible, because the government websites are not properly working. I have seen with TG PGECET students also. So don't waste your time and do these things as soon as possible if you are okay with it. And number 3, see, documents checklist. See, this is the most important things that can confirm your seat finally with 100%. See, what are the things that you should carry with you? First one is original certificates. That means your SSC memo and inter memo, and that should be original, not color printed. And second one is hall ticket and rank card of your EAPCET examination, not SSC and inter. And provisional seat allotment order. If you are a student from phase 1, then carry the allotment order of the seat, confirmed seat. And if you are someone who got college in both first phase and second phase, then carry only the second phase which you are finalizing. Don't carry the first one. And category and income certificate if applicable. If you are someone who got fee reimbursement, then you should carry the income certificate. And if you are someone who got like fee reimbursement under categories, then you should also carry your reservations like SC, ST, EWS and BCE, everything. And see, the income certificate should be on or before after 1st January 2026. So don't take on any older one. And tuition fee payment receipt. I said in most of the videos that when you pay the tuition fee, take a screenshot, or there is a receipt that you paid the tuition fee, download that, you take this. And one more thing, as a senior or a elder brother, I want to say that you take as many Xerox as you want of all the original documents, and if you want, you scan them and keep with you, or if you want, take a like to Xerox of that and keep with you, because these are the things that will take a lot of time when you want them back, and there is a lot of structure when you go and ask them for the certificates. And see, we the seniors are saying this from their personal experience, that if you want to do something with your certificates after you joining the college, there will be a lot of process to take them. So with any kind of, it may be Xerox or scanned copies or anything, keep them with you. And report to your allotted college. See, visit in person with all the original documents that I just now said to complete admission. And what is admission number, and no originals, no admission. If you didn't carry any one original certificate, then they will not accept, they will terminate the admission, or they will give some extra time to return back the original one. And coming to the next one, see, final phase is coming. And if you are someone who didn't even like in the phase 1 and phase 2, and they still want to go for any other option, then you can try in your final phase, and you can try your luck. But what I think is, it will be like a gamble, because you cannot try in the final phase. But yes, the what do we say, the cutoffs will be somewhat extended, but not for all the categories. So if you are someone who come from a SC, ST category or some other special category, then you can try. But if you are someone from OC or EWS, then I suggest you to go on with this college and try to learn some extra skills from your side, but don't play gambles with your seat. And if you have any other doubt, Comment on in the comment section. I will try to answer everyone, and follow and subscribe AMETSEC for next update the moment final phase counseling opens. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.